गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरं पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We are at Vajreshwari, right? We'll do from Vajreshwari. वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्धविद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी विशुद्धिचक्रनिलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना खट्वाङ्गादिप्रहरणा वदनैकसमन्विता पायसान्नप्रिया त्वक्स्था पशुलोकभयङ्करी अमृतादिमहाशक्ति संवृता डाकिनीश्वरी. Right? Any questions till here?
No, auntie.
No. So we were doing, just a recap, we are understanding about the dhatu devatas. These are there are 7 dhatus in our body, which are the ones, the core, which make us healthy, which make our body function, and these are nothing but devatas located in different places of our body. Like Rakta Dhatu, we have Mamsa Dhatu, flesh, blood, all different 7 dhatus are there. And each dhatu has a dhatu devata and her name is there. Then they are connected to our 7 chakras also. And last week we saw the first dhatu devata and she was Dhakinishwari, right? Dhakinishwari, and she is the governor of all the other Amritadi Mahashakti. So there are Amrita, Akarshini, like I, E, like 16 that the 16 other devatas are there, whom Dhakinishwari is the Lord, controller. So 16 devatas from A to Aha, they are located at Vishuddhi Chakra. So Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya we saw. And she is holding the weapons Khatvanga. Then she is having one face, Vadana Eka Samanvita, and she likes the prasadam offering payasam, Payasanna Priya, and she governs the Twak. Twak means the skin. So she is located at the skin, Twakstha, Pashuloka Bhayankari. Right? She is to them, to all the ignorant ones, she is the Bhayankari and she removes the ignorance. So that's why she is Pashuloka Bhayankari. Okay. Next we'll see the next chakra after Vishuddhi comes. Which is the next one? We are done with Vishuddhi. Next one is, what is the name? Anahata Chakra. Okay, let us see how the Devi is there and what is her name and how she looks. Who would like to chant with me? Sitara? Okay, let us begin. Anahatabja.
Anahatabja, Anahatabja,
Nilaya.
Nilaya, Nilaya,
Anahatabja Nilaya.
Anahatabja, Nilaya, Anahatabja, Nilaya,
Shyamabha.
Shyamabha, Shyamabha,
Vadanadvaya.
Vadanadvaya, Vadanadvaya,
Shyamabha Vadanadvaya.
Shyamabha, Vadanadvaya,
Yes.
Shyamabha, Vadanadvaya,
Good, Nana. Vadanadvaya.
Vadanadvaya, Vadanadvaya,
Yes. Damshtra.
Damshtra, Damshtra,
Ujjvala.
Ujjvala, Ujjvala,
Now it becomes O sound, okay? Damshtrojjvala.
Damshtrojjvala, Damshtrojjvala,
Akshamala.
Akshamala, Akshamala,
Damshtrojjvala Kshamala.
Damshtrojjvala,
Mm.
Damshtrojjvala, Akshamala,
Very good, Nana. Say it once more.
Damshtrojjvala, Akshamala,
Adi.
Adi, Adi,
Dhara.
Dara, Dara,
Adidhara.
Adidara, Adidara,
Rudhira Samsthita.
Rudira Samstita, Rudira Samstita,
Akshamaladi-dhara.
Akshamala Tidara,
Rudhira Samsthita.
Rudira Samstita, Rudira Samstita.
Perfect. So this is the most difficult verse I feel. And you did it very well. Let's say once more. This is a little difficult one. Damshtrojjwalakshamaladi.
Damshtrojjvala Kshamaladi,
Dhara Rudhira Samsthita.
Dara Rudira Samstita, Dara Rudira Samstita.
Perfect. Kalaratriadi.
Kalaratrayadi, Kalaratriyadi,
Shaktyogha.
Shatyogha, Shatyogha,
Vrita.
Vrita, Vrita,
Shaktyogha Vrita.
Shatyogha Vrita, Shatyogha Vrita,
Snigdhaudana Priya.
Daudana Priya, Daudana Priya.
Yes, very good. Kalaratriadi Shaktyogha.
Kalaratriyadi Shatyogha, Kalaratriyagi Atra, Kalaratriyadi
Correct.
Shat,
Shaktyogha Vrita.
Shatyogha Vrita,
Snigdhaudana Priya.
Snigdhaudana Priya Snigdhaudana Priya
Mahavirendra Varada
Mahavirendra Varada Mahavirendra Varada
Rakinyamba Swarupini.
Rakinyamba Swarupini Rakinyamba Swarupini.
Very good. Now this is the Rakini Devata. She is Amba means Amma. So Rakini Amma's form, Swarupini. So she is the Devi who is going to rule which dhatu? The dhatu here is Rudhira Samstita. Rudhira means blood. So she is the dhatu devata for our blood to flow. So if we have good blood, means this devata is helping us. Few people, if they don't have blood, they are anemic, they are very weak, then they have to, if they chant this verse and connect to the Devi, Rakini Devi, then their blood will increase. So there is a method how to chant and connect with the Devi. So it is so powerful. Okay. So how this Devi is, she is located at Anahat Abja Nilaya. So all these chakras are mentioned as Abja. Abja means lotus. Okay. So she is located at the Anahata lotus. Anahata is the heart chakra. So the ya. So she is Anahatabja Nilaya. So she is staying there. Shyamabha. She is Shyama color. It's dark one. Shyamabha. The radiance is in dark color. And like Krishna. Krishna is dark, right? Like that. She is also Shyama. Shyamabha Vadana Dvaya. So Vadana means face and Dvaya means two. So she is having two faces. Okay. Then she is having Damshtra. Damshtra means they will be on the side, right? Teeth, protruding teeth. They are called Damshtra. So she is having Damshtra Ujjvala. They are also shining. And she is holding Akshamala. We have Japamala, right? Which has all the Aksharas. So she is holding the Akshamala. Akshamala Adi means etc. Dhara Rudhira Samstita. So she is holding all those Akshamala and many other weapons. And she is located at Rudhira, means blood. Then she is Kala Ratriadi Shaktyogha Vrita. So she is having many different energies. Just like Dakini Devi had 16 energies, right? Which were I, E, U, all those 16 letters. They are nothing but 16 petals there. Now Anahatabja Nilaya, how Rakini Devi is having different Shaktis. She is having Shaktis from Kala Ratri. Means after Aha comes Ka, Kha, Gha, Gha, right? So from Ka, the first Devi is Kala Ratri. And Adi means etc. The Vishuddhi had 16 devatas. Here there are 12 devatas. So they start with Kala Ratri. So Kha, Kha, Gha, Gha, Gnya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Ni, Tha, Tha. So till Tha, it will be 12 letters. Okay, so 12 petals. Abja lotus is at the Anahata. Okay. So Kala Ratriadi Shakti Aughavrita Snigdhaudana Priya. And what this Amma likes is the food made with ghee. Snigdha means ghee. Snigdhaudana Priya. She likes that. Then Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyam Baswarupini. So Mahavira Indra Varada. So she is blessing Varada all the Mahaviras and Indra. So whoever is having control on their sense organs. So the Indra and Mahavira are those who wants to know their self, who are more connected to the divine principle within them. Not what all is external, I want this, I want that, not the external things, but who wants to turn inward and connect to the Devi within. So she blesses all those. So Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyam Baswarupini. She is the Rakini Devata, Amma's form. So we are done the Anahatabja Chakra and the Dhatu Devata. Any questions?
Clear.
Clear? Okay. Good, good. So we have crossed 100 now. 100 verses we have crossed, right? Just another 80 more verses we have. Not even 80, less than 80. Okay. Shall we repeat together if no questions? From Anahatabja Nilaya to Swarupini. Okay. Anahatabja Nilaya Shyama Bhavadanadvaya Damshtrojwalakshamaladi Rudhira Samsthita Kalaratriadishatyaughvrita Snigdaudanappriya Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini. The most difficult verses for me, at least when I was learning, these were the most difficult. How are you kids doing? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Who would like to chant? Okay, Surya.
Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanatvaya Damshtrojwalakshamaladi Dara Rudira Samstita
Kalaratriadi.
Kalaratriadishakyoga Vrita Snigdaudanappriya
Yes.
Mahavirendra Vadana
Varada.
Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini.
Awesome. Good. Okay. Sriharsha.
Start. Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanadvaya Damshtrojwalakshamaladi Dhara Rudhira Samsthita Kalaratriyadishaktoga Vrita Snigdaudanappriya Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini.
Nice. You're all smart kids. Difficult verses so well you're chanting. Okay. Next.
ఈ మధ్య భగవద్గీత స్టార్ట్ చేశారు నీలిమ గారు.
Okay.
అంటే మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది సచ్చిదానంద స్వామీజీ గారు దత్తపీఠం మహాయజ్ఞం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళ మెమరైజేషన్ వీళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. సో మెమరైజేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆల్రెడీ. అందుకనే లేదు మధ్య మధ్యలో క్లాసు అటెండ్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నారు. ఎవ్రీ సండే 1 o'clock అసెస్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది కరెక్ట్ గా. ఇప్పుడు మాకు 11:30 12 కదా, 1 o'clock అసెస్మెంట్ ఎవ్రీ సండే.
ఓకే ఓకే.
వీక్లీ ట్వైస్ ఉంటాయి క్లాసెస్. మెమరైజేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇద్దరు. ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు 3 chapters అయినాయి.
గ్రేట్.
వచ్చేసాయి 150 శ్లోకాల వరకు. అలా సరే ఇంకా ఇప్పుడే ఇంట్రెస్ట్, మా ఫస్ట్ గ్రేడ్ కదా, స్టడీస్ కూడా అంత మేము ఫోర్స్ చేయట్లేదు, నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు కదా అనేసి. మీనింగ్ చెప్పారు వాళ్ళంతగా, ఓన్లీ మెమరైజేషన్ అంతే. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పు.
వెల్కమ్ అన్న. ఓకే. ఎనీబడి ఎల్స్ వుడ్ లైక్ టు చాంట్? Okay, Sitara. Smarty.
Anahatabjanilaya Shyama Bhavadanadvaya Damshtrojwala Akshamaladi it's Damshtrojwala Akshamaladi.
Correct.
दंशोज्ज्वलाक्षमालादि धारारुधिरसंस्थिता कालत्रियादि शत्रुयोगा वृतस्निग्धौदनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्र वरदा राकिन्यम्बस्वरूपिणी.
Good. Just here you remember, all of you, it is dhara, not dhara. Only one single A right here. So dhara. Okay, good. Very good. Nice. Okay, anybody else? Okay. Shall we close then? Nobody? Let's do. We'll just repeat once together because they are little difficult. अनाहताब्जनिलया श्यामा भावदनद्वया दंष्ट्रोज्ज्वलाक्षमालादि धरा रुधिरसंस्थिता कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघवृता स्निग्धौदनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. Let's do the final closing prayers. अन्नपूर्णे सदापूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.